Hello, everybody. Welcome to another, just another. I'm gonna be making a I'm gonna be starting working on a inventory system that I will later be making a tutorial on. So I'm not making the tutorial now, but I'm gonna be making the system, and then I'm gonna be making a tutorial on it. That's essentially what's happening. Is everything looking all right on the stream side? Let me see. I don't know. Yeah, things seem all right. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. I'm gonna create a script, and then I don't know how exactly to start. I think I'm essentially just gonna be making like a big array that you can alter. That's kind of what an inventory is. It's just a big array. So let me open up Minecraft for inspiration. We're not actually playing Minecraft. If you're just joining the stream, we're not playing Minecraft. We are simply going to it to gauge how the inventory system works, and then we're going to try to recreate it as best we can. Okay. So it's one, two, three. What's up, Prince Cats? Hey, Agent. How you doing today? Hope you're doing well. So it's 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 by 4. Okay, got it. Rename it to Witch and Gwitch. No. That doesn't make any sense. So, no. Um, oh shoot, I don't think Streamlabs is working. I gotta open that up. Um, Docs, where is it? Um, Streamlabs, overlays, widgets. Um, how do I turn this on? Oh, dashboard, I think. Yeah, maybe. Streamlabs has been very annoying. Are you making Minecraft and Godot? Just the inventory system because that was the top comment of that community poll I did. Um, so we try remaking the inventory system. So I think we're just gonna store it in a big array. So variable inventory. I'm gonna set this to be. I think we're gonna do dictionaries. I could be wrong, but basically, it's going to be 9 by 4. That's how we're gonna handle it. It's gonna be 9 long by 4 vertical. Because that's how Minecraft does it. So actually, yeah, let's just do real inventory size. We'll get a vector 2. Just be 9 by 4. We'll do something along those lines. Um, we have to wait. We have to have a way to display it. So I think I'm gonna create. Like a slot scene. So this will be. Let's just do like a color rect. Actually, let's just do a sprite. Change type. No. We'll do a sprite, and then we will do just that guy. Save that. Okay. And then let's go and create. Oh, I've been pinged. I've been pinged. Oh, okay. Okay. This isn't really gonna have anything, I don't think, for right now. We might later. We might have an interface with the inventory, but I'm also gonna rename this scene to just be inventory. Okay. And then let's load in the slot. So let's just get variable slot gets, it's gotta be on ready. So at on ready slot. And it's not that big, so I'm not gonna worry about like preloading it or anything. So preload like in like an actual like different thread. Slot. There we go. Okay. That works. And then I think in the ready function we'll just do for n in inventory size dot x. Let's just do for x, then for y in inventory size dot y. And then this will allow us to create that grid. And then we'll do slot instant variable instance get slot dot instantiate, and then instance dot global position will get vector2 x and y, and then we will add child instance. This should somewhat work. I could have some like things mismeasured, but generally it should work. Yeah, okay. Oh, let's just do like times 10. See if that fixes some of these issues. Not quite. Let's do times 100. Almost there. Then let's 128 maybe? Probably gonna be like exactly it. Yep. Nice. Okay. Cool beans. What's up, Oliver? How you doing today? Fine, just fine. Not good. Just fine. What can make it better? What can make it a great day? Beyond your favorite YouTuber streaming right now. G Money. Hell yeah. Dubskis, brother, Dubskis. Oh, this is scale. This isn't. Okay, I was looking for zoom. There we go. Hey, that's a grid. Guys, we have a grid. Isn't that crazy? We have a grid. It's gonna hold items. Okay. This is hard if you don't know anything about coding. Yeah, it is. So if you don't know anything about coding, I suggest staying away from Godot temporarily. Go learn just like a raw language. Go learn like Python or something and get comfortable with the concepts of that. And then go ahead and transfer over to something like Godot, because then you bring over, those core coding concepts that you've learned, and then you can use them to make stuff in Godot. But G Money. G Money. But yeah. How do I learn more in-depth topics for Godot? I want to step up my game and begin to maybe intermediate. I have the basics and I already have a decent level of coding since I am in high school. Yeah, honestly, Oliver is right on the money. Just look up stuff. I don't know what you mean by advanced stuff or like intermediate stuff. I don't quite know where you're drawing that line because it's pretty gray. It's a pretty gray transition um between like beginner to intermediate. Like some stuff I'm still beginner on, but a lot of stuff I'm like advanced on. So it's kind of hard to say because it depends on what you consider. Um, but yeah, I think the biggest I think the biggest thing is YouTubing the Godot docs. Yeah, join a game jam. That's my biggest advice to you. Join a game jam. And if you really want to, so I'm not saying this. So for legal purposes, I can't say that this is legit. But if you get the new GWiz hat, it might inject all the knowledge into you. I can't guarantee that will happen, obviously, for legal reasons, but it might. You don't know. We don't know. Um, Go below and look at the shop, and you can get a GWiz hat, and then yeah, show us again to a Ginjo. Awesome. Link it into like a showcase or something in my Discord. Go to GWiz showcase, and I play it. Okay. Um, exactly. Once you get the hat, yeah, you'll just start GWizzing all over the place. Appreciate it, Saint. Okay. Trying to do we do I like initialize these? I'm trying to figure out what the actual data type I'm going to be putting into the inventory. That's, I think, the key thing. We are so close. Oh, it's funny. Recently, so the first channel to ever have shout me out, we beat them. We passed them. There was a channel a couple like about a year ago when I was at like 26 subscribers. Awesome, I'll check it out. Um, so I was at like 26 subscribers or so. I was just looking at it. Let me see, it mentions, it was my first ever mention. It was on Game Dev Journey. Hold on. Where is it? Click on the video. Can I click on the video? Oh, there, view video. Okay. Hold on.
Deliver at AI speed with Wix.
So this is my first ever shout out. Right here. I was very tiny little speck of a YouTuber. Yep. You can see my old logo there. My really bad old logo with 27 subscribers. But this is the guy who shut me out and we just surpassed him, which is pretty cool. That's not like shade at him. That's just like for context. Obviously I love that guy. He shouted me out for the first time ever. So I know. We have surpassed Game Dev Journey. I think that's the only Game Dev Journey I've ever watched. Not gonna lie. I did watch a bit of Stay at Home Dev when he shouted me out a very long time ago. He shouted me out before I even had a YouTube channel, which is really funny. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, no, he's cool. I don't know if did Stay at Home Dev ever shut you up? Because he literally shouted me out before I had a YouTube channel. It's really funny. And now I have like a third of his subscribers. So we'll see. That is a goal someday to surpass Stay at Home Dev. Yeah, it would be crazy. That'd be really funny. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how exactly we're gonna handle like an item. He just says Godot. He has said Godot in the past. Like I when I talk to him, he seems to actually purposely from what I know, he purposely mispronounces it on his channel. Because when I talk to him, he pronounces it the right way, and he admits to like knowing how to actually pronounce it. It's really funny. Um, so I think he does know how. I think well, he is aware that he mispronounces it. So, what do you think about using AI for something like I don't know what those are. What those are you talking about like calculus like trigonometry stuff? It's like trigonometry stuff. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I wouldn't suggest using AI for too much beyond like quick help. Like if like it's sometimes faster than Googling, but it's much more likely to give you a bad answer than Googling. So I don't know. It's really you get speed and also really bad advice sometimes. So I don't know. But you can also get that from like Reddit, you know. I don't know. Like it's I think the best thing is looking up a bunch of stuff and then eventually forming your own opinions and like knowing what's really shitty advice. That only comes with just experience and just doing things the bad way and the good way and then knowing which way's the good way. Yeah, I could kind of tell that by what you were saying. I was a little confused when I saw Tangents. I was like, yeah. Any advice on YT stuff? Always wanted to make a decent content based on our own game dev. So that's the thing. That's the thing. I don't. Oh, one second. My cat's being an asshole right now. Hold on. Sorry. So it's warmer out now, so I had to put away her bed in the closet. And she found it and she like took it out and started playing with it. And the problem is it's like it's like an electric heated bed, so she was like chewing on the cord for it. Um, I have a very spoiled cat. Um, but yeah, so it's funny you mentioned the oversaturated. Yeah, it is, and I'm the problem. I think you can find a niche, but I think in terms of tutorials, and I don't mean this as like I don't mean this as like gatekeeping. I mean this as um I've done so many tutorials in Godot. I can't even find much ideas for tutorials in Godot for like things that people would want to watch. I struggle finding ideas because I've already done them. So it's like other people starting now, it's I would suggest not doing tutorials cuz I'm already running out of ideas for my own stuff. So, it's kind of hard to say. Um but no, because those don't no. I mean, I would say you could try that, but definitely for my style of content, no. Cuz I don't think that they teach as much. I think that you could try that and see where it goes. But I don't like longer tutorials. I think that they are useless. But what are you trying to store in that inventory? Items. We're just making an inventory system. I have to make and like an item object. I think I'm gonna make like a resource. So let's just do new scene. Let's just do item. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like an item resource. Eddie, exactly. Just a crap ton of pigs. Okay. Extends resource. And then we'll do class name item. And then here we're gonna have export item ID. We'll get a will be set to a empty string. And then oh wait, that needs to be a variable. My bad. We're just gonna do that for now. And I'm just gonna give it like a temporary like color rect or something. I don't know. Let's just do sprite. Load, and then we'll do it like 0.25. Thank you, 7low. Appreciate it. You know, actually, I need to make it so that way you can. Oh wait, I found it. Hold on. There. Okay. It is now a rule that in order to type, you have to be subscribed. That's the rule. It's a pretty tame rule, all things considered. What if you want to chat? You must be subscribed. That's the new rule. I was thinking about doing that for a while. I just never got around to it. Tyranny! How dare he force us into his agenda? Into his subscribing agenda. Okay. I don't know how exactly I want to like fill in this inventory. Who is up to G-Wiz though? That's kind of cringe. It's kind of cringe. Man, how do I want to handle... What's it? Is it like a blank resource? Blank resource. Good dough. I don't know. What can we do like... Set size of... We are currently working... Oh wait. You will make an item type class or will... Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing like a simple resource where it's just got a class. It's just the item class. And I'm gonna add stuff like this to it. I'm currently working on an inventory system. Because that was a... Let me see you comment. I'm gonna shout them out. Everybody go shame this person. I'm kidding. Where was it? Brown Man 5214. This bozo. Brown Man 5214. So, this guy. Go bully him. No kidding. Okay. Let's do variable resource, I think? No? Let me pull up how this works. Yeah. Thoughts on joining a game jam with random people as a team? It depends on what you want to get out of it. If you want to be well-rounded, I'd say do both. If you want to just focus on programming and stuff, it's great to join like a team. Because then you can like focus on like one skill. And if you want to, you know, touch all skills, you can do it by yourself. There's a couple, you know, there's many reasons between those. I personally prefer doing solo, but that's just up to you. I gotta see how I handled it in this game, which I never finished because I don't know, things just fell through. So, let's see. Player. Is it here? Hotbar? Maybe? I have no idea where I actually handled this. That's like, wow. This is a mess. Where do I handle the hotbar? Do I have it here? Yeah, I do. What? What? Doesn't make any sense. Is it going to be in global? Nope. Wow. This is... Don't make your games like this, guys. This is terrible. Who did this? Hold on. Is it It's in one of these. I know. Hold on, I'll find it. What are my auto loads? Project auto loads. Stats. Okay. I don't know. Hold on. I think it's variable item res. It's resource. Wait. Item. Dot new. I think that's how you do it. I could be wrong. Is that on ready? Yeah, but let's just do item. Let's just do it like this, yeah. Okay. So can I, quick question, can I just do let's do inventory? I don't know if Godot allows me to do this. Can I do inventory? Let's say 16 gets test. Can I do that without being out of bounds? No, I can't, because it's not in bounds. Okay. What's up, not Floppo? How you doing today? Set size of array. Good though. Actually, you know what? I think what I might do is I might just do inventory dot append null, and then I'll try doing inventory 16 gets test. Does that work? It does. Then we print inventory. Let's go. That's how you do it. That's how we do it, boys. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. Never back down. Never give up. Amazing. Okay. So let's do if y is less than inventory size dot y, else we're gonna set it to this, and we're gonna be doing like minus, wait, no, like plus 64. Let's try that. Let's see what that does. Okay, cool. So we got like a nice little separation there. Amazing. Okay, that's gonna be our hotbar. Our hotbar is just gonna be its own row, I guess. I don't know. Do we want to separate the hotbar and the inventory? I wonder. I don't think it matters too much. I don't think it actually matters. Okay. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead now, and I'm going to actually steal more stuff from the void. I'm going to get a couple. Let's just get this apple. I'm going to steal this apple. And then in here, I think, yeah, let's create a, oops, create new folder, items, create new scene, apple.tscn. And here, let's go add in the apple. Oops. Apple. Transform reset. This, get rid of this. This is another thing. Okay. texture nearest. Yeah, on ready. Wait, no, I think it's export. Export. Variable item res gets item dot new, maybe. Yep, right there. Cool. The new item. Apple. First thing about custom roosters in Godot is that thing. Yeah. Yeah. I have a tutorial on them. That's what I'm doing right now. That's what these are. Check out my video on them. Shaftmere also has a pretty good one as well. I don't know if you know that who that is, but he's pretty cool. You should check out his as well. Mine first, so obviously. Okay. This is good enough for now. No problem. Function. Let's just do move item. We'll do item index. I think that should be fine. Yeah. I don't know though. And then Apple. I gotta figure out how to just like put stuff in here. Function test add item like that might be how we're gonna do it. I could be wrong. Hmm. I gotta see how I'm handling dragging as well in this game. Am I handling it? Okay, I kind of am. But not really at the same time. So, and then item index, I think maybe, right? I am not, no. I am making a tutorial on how to make an inventory system. And I'm taking some notes from my game jam game that I never finished, and I don't plan on it. But yeah. Um, Trying to think. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I got my game posted with a few problems, but it's a game. Awesome. I'm gonna check it out after the stream then, for sure. That's like the first thing I'm gonna do after the stream is check it out. Sounds awesome. I just want to get this to a point where I can add items in, and then I'm probably going to do something else. We'll see. Let's give all these guys buttons. You know what? Let's give all these guys buttons. Like, I think that's how I did it in the last one. I could be wrong. Actually, wait. Can you, an item, can you create a function called init? The one game jam, wait, has some dev testing stuff with on it, dialogue being at 100x speed. Okay, yeah, yeah, send me the fixed one. I'll definitely check it out. Hmm. Let's do English. What's up, Dylan? How you doing today? You know, someday I might become actually decent at programming while streaming. We'll see. Maybe. Probably not. This is way too hard. Um, Currently making an inventory system for a tutorial, for a later on tutorial. Probably post it in the next like day or so. Once I get it all done. Um, Instantiate button node good dough. Yeah, hopefully. Um, okay, I think for now I'm just gonna do a button, and I'll figure out the rest later. Let's do layout localization tooltip. No, visibility. Yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. Button down, button up. Parser error? Is it because of this? Is that why you have a parser error? Is that why? 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 Yeah. Okay. On button down, we'll just do global position gets mouse. Get global position, just for now. Oh, we won't. No, no, we won't. I do hope to, but we won't. That would be more subscribers than I've ever gotten at any point ever. So probably not. We're still well over 100 out, so we won't, but that would be cool. It's just not how it. Okay. Tutorial going over changing scenes in game. Yeah, I do. I do. I have a scene transition tutorial. You can check out. What's up, Sad the Glad? Yeah, but like I have like a scene transition tutorial. No problem. I clicking the subscribe button. I think it doesn't work. Man. I think you're only supposed to click it once. I could be wrong. I think if you click it again, it won't work correctly, but you know, that's up to you. Transform 5. Oh, let's do 3. Yes, sir. Okay, that works. Click harder. Oh. Let me look at how I'm handling it in here. let's do, I think it's on the item itself, which would be how I would handle it, because I know how I would handle things. Um, hold item. Oh, that's how I'm handling it. I actually know how I'm handling it, and it's a very weird way. Um, okay, interesting. Okay, in that case, yeah, as long as you click it, no, you have to click it an odd number. 201 times I think would work because, you know, yeah, that would work. Because eventually you do end up subscribing, so that's fine. If that's how you want to do it, that's how you want to do it. By all means, knock yourself out. Yeah, that's why I don't do much game dev anymore. I just kind of make tutorials on the coding side of things, and in terms of like making games, I don't really. Um, so yeah, that's actually not the full reason, but that's part of it. I should do like a Michael Reeves thing where I make like a Nerf gun that shoots me every single time I get a subscriber. I think people would like that. I'm telling you, I think that YouTube has issues with that, and I don't want to be flagged or anything. So, um, I don't, I wouldn't say do that, but yeah, because YouTube can tell if you have like a new account or like a vacant account that you don't use that you just subscribe to someone with. They flag it as a bot. So don't do that. But you want me to be friends? If you join my Discord, you might be able to find some. I don't know, maybe. I keep opening Blender by accident. God damn it. Uh, I wouldn't recommend using royalty-free stuff in general. I think it gives games a really cheap look. I'd say even if your art is really bad, it's better than getting royalty-free stuff. I say even if you go into MS Paint and draw like a smiley face, I would play your game over a game that just uses assets because it shows that you actually kind of care. Um, so 10-minute work on Blockbench is firing for sure. Yeah, like honestly, just go into Blender and make like a cube. Boom, you've done enough. I don't know why it's given that big, to be honest. I made it in an afternoon. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you could just use cubes, and that could be a game, honestly. So, I don't know. But yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Art styles clash, all that. It's like those like bad Unreal Engine games where people try to like make like popular like stuff. It just looks really bad. Did you try linking something? Because YouTube for some reason doesn't let you send links. It only lets me send links because it doesn't trust you. I guess I don't know. There are plenty of games that look bad. Yeah. Well, it depends. Does it look bad or does it look like you just use a bunch of assets? I think there's two levels of bad. I think there's one where it's like charmingly bad, and there's the other where you just went on the Unity asset store and just bought a bunch of models. There's two sides of bad, and I would much prefer the one where you just do shit in MS Paint. Yeah, you can't. Oh, okay. I don't know. You can't send links if that's what you're trying to do. I don't know how to disable that. I would let you guys send links if I could, because I somewhat trust you, but also I don't, so I don't know. Let's just do function drag. Why not? Function physics process. Oh, yeah, probably just those, yeah. Okay. Function, variable, drag, gets false. We're just gonna do this, we're gonna do drag, gets true, and then drag gets false, and then we're gonna do if drag, drag. Message retracted, I didn't see that. Oh, uh, hmm. Dragging. Are you rushing or are you dragging? Are you rushing or are you dragging? Hey, you have any weapon switches to throw? No. I do not. Sorry. This works. This works fine. This works good enough. I don't really care. I don't really care how it... What I am gonna do though is I'm gonna copy these. I'm gonna delete these. I'm gonna make a new scene. Call it main. This is gonna be the actual main scene. I'm gonna paste these back in. I'm gonna add in the inventory. It shouldn't be too hard. Just make a variable that has your weapon in it, and then just toggle between which one is currently in that slot. Like have both weapons, and then have one for current variable. Welcome in. I am making a inventory system that I'm gonna be making later on. I'm gonna be making a tutorial on. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So I'm basically just writing the system now, and then after that, I'm going to be making a tutorial on it. Why is it doing that? What? Is this thing okay? Is this current? Editor, transform. Enabled, yeah. What? 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 Why? Why are you the way you are, honestly? What? 0.5. Will this fix it? No. What? Why? 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 Why are you so broken? So what's happening right now? It doesn't... Oh, wait. That's why. We understand. I understand. You may not, but I do. Are you from... No, but that's actually pretty close to me right now. I think it's like 3 hours away from where I'm staying. Uh, yeah, sorry. I do prefer being paid for this. Sorry. I just prefer it. I know. I'm such a little demon monster. I know. Such a little demon monster. Gosh Darn it, Billy, why ain't this? Can't you just center? How do you center a div? God damn it, Bobby. Okay, cool. Now the apple is in front, how it should be. Now we gotta add collision. Hey, so yeah. So that's cool. I gotta find out a way to tell if it's touching a certain slot. So actually, in here, you know what? I'm gonna be doing slot index. There we go. A. Yeah, I know. Such a genius. Int. Um, and then when we're instantiating it, we're going to be doing instance dot slot index gets get this. Actually, you know what we should do? A very easy way to handle this. We do this, and then we do instance dot slot index gets inventory, right dot size. Yeah. Oh yeah. Minus one. Oh yeah. Actually, no, we don't even need to do a -1 if we just do it first. Yes, this is big brain time. Okay. And then that works. Okay. And then I'm gonna also add in like an area collision. So area 2D. This might not be the right way to do this, but I don't care. So mm. Oh, what's this about? Interesting. Oh, hold on. Okay. Oh well. Okay. I think let's go ahead and just add in this. And then scale this guy down. Scale this guy down. Down. Okay. Hey man, did you end up submitting see, the great thing is the theme was void. So by me submitting nothing, I have I have incorporated the theme into my game. So, I know. I know. Just get on my level, honestly. I know. I know. I did. I actually got a 10 out of 10 on theme usage. I used the theme the entire game. I know. I should ping them and ask. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go right here. I submitted nothing. It is. That is what I submit. Yes. If it makes you feel any better, I did initially start making a project, then I just gave up on it. Okay, there. I think I should, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, things just kind of fell through with the whole team and stuff, so it's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Um, area entered. Connect, and then on slots, on the slot, I'm gonna add in a group. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Slot, and then the apple, we're gonna do if area dot is in group slot. I am not blaming it on Gambit. I am blaming it on um Gambit's fine. I just both of us weren't super like motivated. We both had a lot going on. I had school starting. That was my main issue. I had to deal with that, and that took up a lot more time than I thought it would. No, Gambit's amazing. Much love to him. Um, okay. Yeah, see exactly. Okay. Let's just print area dot slot index. Let's just get that. Oh, oopsies. I'm gonna set the main scene. Um, run. That would just return false. That would just return false. It wouldn't do anything. It would just return false. Why does this no work? Why does this no work? This no work. It's kind of lame. Oh wait, I know why. Hey, there we go. We got a crash. Let's go. Ooh yeah, baby. Ooh yeah, baby. It's something for us. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, it would just yeah. Okay. Variable hover index gets 0. Let's print hover index. That works. Get treat IQ free is funny. I know. It's a great command. It actually gives your computer more RAM. I don't know if you knew that. It frees up a lot of memory. Sure. Possibly. I might, yeah. I might do that. We'll see. Yeah, if you guys submit them, if you guys post them into the Good Old Wild Jam channel, I will. Yeah, sure. Okay. Amazing. I'll be back. Hello. The the G money is back. I have to figure out how I want to handle this. So, hmm. What if we so I think what we should just do is I just want to figure out how I want to handle moving it to a slot. So, if I add it to a slot, what's actually, you know what? I think what I should do is I should actually hmm, I don't know. I don't know if I should handle it on the slot or handle it on the inventory itself. That's the question, right? Huh. Yeah, I don't know how I quite want to handle this. Do I want to? So if I put it, hmm. So drag the object onto the slot, and then I need to I can get the inv I can get the okay. Hmm. Do I even want to do that? Or do I just want to get like the hovering slot and just like a hover slot gets 0 or gets null, I guess. I will just do hover slot gets area like apparent. Well, that's all we need to do. That's technically all we need to do. I think that works. And then um, if hover slot is not equal to null, then we will actually if hover slot, then we will um, reparent to hover slot. That should might work. We'll see. No, okay. Cannot convert. Okay, hold on. How do I reparent? Do you have any tips on for making 3D game more performant friendly? Yeah. So a couple things. Bake your lighting. Don't use SDFGI, and just uh lower the polygon count. And then how we can help you. What does that mean? What do you mean by that? How can you help me? Hit that subscribe button, baby. Hmm. Hold on. Mouse. Help me get to 10K. Yeah. How do you think you can help me? I wonder. I wonder. Spread the word, potentially. Yeah. Spread the word. I don't know. Is it is it on the item itself? The parent? Yeah, it is. Okay. Wait, no, it's not. Wait. Self dot reparent to hover slot. Does that work? No. No, I don't plan on it. I don't know too much about shaders to make tutorials on them. Sorry. I don't know too much about shaders. Hmm. Hover slot dot add item. Um, visual novel. No, no. Why? But why though? Visual novel. Like dialogue input and that stuff. I'll look into it. Thank you. Dude said good luck and unsubscribed. Damn. Amazing. Ah, it feels bad, man. Feels bad. Thank you. Appreciate it. Sorry, I thought you unsubscribed. I saw it go down. Appreciate you. Okay. Item. Okay, so let's item add self. Okay, so add item. Hmm. So at on ready, let's just do inventory gets. That's all that is. That's all that is. Okay, then we'll just do inventory. This may be stupid. I don't know. If I just call this items, I think this might be better, a better naming scheme. Items, items. Yeah, this might be a little bit better. Okay, that should be fine. I am making a tutorial on an inventory system, actually. So yeah. But I have to first make it. I have to first figure out how to make an inventory system, which this is why I haven't made one yet, because it's a lot of work. It's a stupid amount of work. Um, just for a little video. That's the problem. But I'll see what I can do. Okay, dot items slot index gets item. What happened? What do you mean? What do you mean what happened? What happened? Okay. So this gets item, and then I guess we'll just do variable instance gets. Instantiate? I think maybe instantiate. Yeah, that could work. Okay, instantiate, and then add child instance. Let's see if this works. No. In base callable. What? Why? Add item, add item, add item. It's right there. Right. Right. Item dot reparent to self. Does that work? Okay, it does. Yeah, cool. Just watched Spectral Observations by Jason Booth on YouTube. I have not. I don't know who that is. I will check him out though. Print new item, and then I will. Don't worry. It will change me. Oh boy. I don't think I want to watch it then. I don't want it to change me. That's sounds scary. Think you convinced me and then you unconvinced me to watch it. So I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Surely this makes it not usable for projects. What do you mean? What's wrong with using a Node 2D? I mean, this is just like for like testing purposes, but like, who cares?
Hello. So
No. Oh, so I don't know if you know this, but when you're watching a tutorial, you're not supposed to just copy what the person's doing. You're supposed to gather the concepts from what they're doing and then apply it to your own project. I don't know if you understand that, but that's how you're supposed to watch a tutorial. You're not supposed to just copy and paste what the person making the tutorial does. So if I'm using a Node 2D and you're making a 3D game, what would you then use for a 3D game? That's up to you. The concept would probably still apply. But yeah. So we do have a problem though. I am seeing now that there is already a tutorial on how to make an inventory in Godot 4. And it seems pretty good. That's a good point. That's a good point. I might look into that. I'm actually reconsidering making a tutorial on it now because I Node 4D. You know what? I wonder how you make it. I wonder how you mess with 4D in Godot. I wonder if you could do that because there is a cool plugin for Unity that I saw a while back, and I wonder how you would do that in Godot. Interesting. Add like a W axis or something, you know? Like man, that would be really cool. Like a 4D renderer would be a really cool project. I would be very interested in doing something like that. That would be cool. All right. So I'm being genuine. I like to make original tutorials, and if I feel the need to recreate one, I will recreate it. But there is currently what I think there is a pretty good tutorial already on how to make an inventory on like how to make an inventory in Godot 4 on YouTube by a channel called DevWorm, which is interesting, and it makes me not want to make this simply because he already did, and I don't. That would just be redundant. Yeah, yeah. Well, no, I can make it. I don't think I can make it in a day, especially while like interacting with chat and stuff, because that's just really hard for me. But I yeah, I believe that. Yeah, I think DevWorm passed me on that already. Yeah, I think DevWorm got me on that. Yeah, that's the problem. Is I really have to figure out what to do with streams. Streams are a really interesting thing because like they're good for engagement. Like I'm engaging with people and I'm engaging with a lot of people and it's very good for that, right? But it's so hard to like program during it. So it's like, do I want to just continue doing development on stream or do I want to just like dedicate streams to just something else? I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Big Jiwas. I can make even bigger Jiwas. Hold on. It's the biggest Jiwas you've ever seen in your entire life. It's the biggest Jiwas. Um, yeah, yeah. Well, I made a tutorial on like rarities and stuff a while ago. Um, so no, what do you guys think streams should be? Because honestly, programming during them is just really hard. Could be design and fun mini projects. See, that's the problem. Is even mini projects to me feel like they take too much effort to be able to do during the stream. I don't know what you mean by loot tables. I don't quite know what you mean by that. Can you elaborate on loot tables? What are loot tables? I don't know. Could you like a project where the viewers tell you what to do in chat? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think honestly, I might just dedicate these to like playing other people's games, or or we can transition to doing Minecraft on streams. That'd be fun. Yeah, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Just playing games during stream. I think that's what streams are going to become, because like for example, like my game jam streams are super good. They're really easy to make. They're just a lot of fun. Um, so yeah. Typically have rules. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, I did that like the other day. I did that like the other day. Hold on. Hold on. Like legit, I did it the other day. Right here. Hold on. Right here. Did that like the other day. Yeah. Did the like right here. 2 weeks ago. Very recent. Um, yeah, yeah. It seems to be what you're describing. Yeah. Um, yeah. I think I gotta. Yeah, I'm gonna try to think of some ideas for streams in the future. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I might make a thing out of like playing like user submitted projects and stuff. That's what I might be doing from now on. Um, but yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Well, I am hungry. I gotta go get some food going on. But I might stream a little bit later. We'll see. I gotta say some leak code and stuff. But yeah, thank you all for tuning in. G was out.